In the modern era of rapid communication, searching for terms or concepts through Google has become an indispensable daily routine. Whether seeking information about a specific topic or recalling a random detail about almost anything, a swift Google search often comes to the rescue. In this video, we explore 7 Google shortcuts that you might not be aware of. Use a minus to eliminate unwanted results. When you're on the hunt for a specific range of search results but need to dodge a particular term, unleash the power of the minus sign. Plunk it right in front of the word you want to exclude, and let Google work its magic. For instance, envision you're after the best cars but want to steer clear of anything from 2021. Just type best cars 2021 and voila! Google will sweep away all traces of best cars from the year 2021 in your search results. Amp up the exclusions by stacking multiple terms after the minus sign. Try best cars 2022-2023 and presto, no results from those pesky years. Mastering this trick turns your search game into a precision tool, helping you zero in on exactly what you want. Search exact keywords using quotation marks. Navigating the vast realm of Google searches with multiple keywords can be like a wild ride, and sometimes, your desired keywords might play hard to get in the results. For laser-sharp precision, cloak your cherished keywords in quotation marks. Imagine you're on the quest for best new movies. Throw those magic quotes around it, and behold! Google will unfurl results featuring the exact phrase best new movies in articles or links. It's like summoning a search genie to grant your precise wishes. Get ready for a search experience that hits the bullseye. Use a tilde symbol to match synonyms. The tilde symbol serves various purposes across different contexts. In language, particularly in Spanish and Portuguese, it denotes phonetic pronunciation. In mathematics, it signifies as similar to in Google searches. The tilde is a handy tool for finding synonyms. To use it, press tilde button, shift plus apostrophe and directly type the word you're interested in without any spaces. The results will include your specified word and its synonyms. For instance, searching tilde chicken will yield results related not only to the bird but also to chicken recipes, various types, and interesting facts. For more refined results, you can combine this search operator. For example, a search for Facebook tips will provide tips and tricks for using Facebook along with guides, marketing strategies, and other informative articles. Asterisk has placeholder. In operating systems like Linux and DOS, the asterisk typically denotes one or more unspecified characters. Similarly, in Google searches, the asterisk serves as a placeholder with a comparable function. For instance, entering best laptops in Google will retrieve results that begin with best and end with laptops, filling in any words in between. Consequently, with best laptops you'll discover results like best budget laptops, best Mac laptops, best Windows laptops, best overall laptops, and so forth. This search indicator is also handy for finding people's names. For example, searching Andrew Scott will yield names starting with Andrew and ending with Scott. Double dots to indicate number ranges. When conducting number-based searches, employing double dots between two numbers signals to Google to search within that range. For instance, typing movies 2000.2010 will yield results comprising a list of movies released between the years 2000 and 2010. This search function is also useful for determining the price range of specific products. For example, if you search laptops 500.1000, Google will display links to laptops falling within the USD 500 to USD 1000 price range. Filter locations. If you're searching for information about a specific object or person within a particular location, use the location command in your Google search. For instance, entering Elon Musk location, Bangladesh will yield articles about Elon Musk from Bangladeshi sources. To narrow down this search even more, if you're looking for places to visit exclusively in Sylhet, you can type places to visit location, Sylhet to obtain more targeted and relevant results. Make use of advanced search. When you find that Google isn't delivering the search results you need, consider utilizing the advanced search option for a more targeted search experience. On desktop, access this feature through the settings menu at the bottom right corner of google.com. Alternatively, you can find it in the top right quick settings whenever you have Google search results open. With Google's advanced search, you can refine your results by specifying language, region, last update time, file type, and more. You have the flexibility to determine how keywords appear in your search, whether anywhere in the results, only in the title, in the text, etc. Additionally, you can filter results by file types such as doc, PPT, PDF, and others. For further precision, explore other word-related functions outlined in the first section of Advanced Search. So that was all about 7 Google shortcuts you never know existed. Which one are you going to use? Let us know in the comments section below.